Try to get out there and sing this song before them painkillers kicked in real good. I'm mo-lighted now. Just call me mo-light-eared. Kind of like doing this. I hope you do too. Let's see what's going on here. I have just this minute tuned that guitar. I think I'm going to take this over depending on my power situation. Hold on just a minute. I got to install a battery and you don't need to see this. It's not pretty. I don't expect you to understand what I'm doing, but I'd appreciate it if you don't condemn me for doing it, because it ain't dangerous. It's just different. As you read this letter that I write to you, sweetheart, I hope you understand that you're really all the one for me. And please forgive me if you can. Sweetheart, I beg you to come home tonight. I'm been all alone. The snow has covered up the ground, and your baby's home sick and cold. Sweetheart, I beg you to come home tonight. So we're all alone. I promise that I'll treat you right. And love, oh Lord, please come home. I said, love, oh Lord, please come home. That old wind is cold and the snow is blowing around. I wasn't lying.